Are your stainless steel appliances looking dull, streaky, and covered in fingerprints? The good news is you don't need expensive cleaners to bring back that showroom shine. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and polish stainless steel using two specialty microfiber towels, an antimicrobial silver towel, and a glass weave glass cleaning towel. Plus, I'll show you a simple homemade vinegar and baking soda cleaning solution to tackle that stubborn grime. Before we start cleaning, let's talk about the most important tool, the towel. Not all microfiber towels are created equal. For stainless steel surfaces, I recommend using an antimicrobial silver towel for the initial cleaning. These towels are designed to help keep the towel fresher between uses while providing excellent cleaning performance. They are embedded with a silver agent called Novron, giving them the unique characteristic feature that keeps them odor-free and fresher longer, keeping microbes at bay. Then for the final polish, we'll switch to a glass weave edgeless towel, which is specifically designed to leave behind a streak-free finish with its flat, tight, specialized weave pattern. Using the right towel can make the difference between a streaky finish and a professional looking shine. Lightly dampen your antimicrobial silver towel with water. That's right, just water. Always wipe in the direction of the stainless steel grain. You'll notice faint lines running either horizontally or vertically across the surface. Following the grain helps lift dirt and oil while minimizing streaks. Once you've wiped down the entire appliance, inspect the surface from different angles. At this point, most fingerprints, smudges, and light residue should be gone. If you see any stubborn spots, simply go over them again with your damp microfiber towel. Now for my favorite part, the final polish. Switch to a clean glass weave edgeless towel. These towels are designed to glide smoothly across stainless steel and glass surfaces, helping to eliminate streaks and lint. Using light pressure, buff the appliance in the direction of the grain. Notice how the surface becomes brighter and more reflective with each pass? The edgeless design also helps prevent drag marks that sometimes occur with traditional surge edge towels. Now, let me show you a pro tip to tackle that caked in grime. Here's what you'll need. A good quality small size microfiber towel like our 14" by 14" 300 GSM edgeless cleaning towel, half a cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, half a cup of warm water, and a spray bottle. Make a cleaning solution with the baking soda, vinegar, and warm water. Now lightly mist the stainless steel surface with the vinegar solution. Wait 2 to 3 minutes and gently work the area using light pressure and microfiber towel. Avoid scrubbing aggressively. Once the residue loosens, wipe away with a clean, damp section of the towel. You'll be surprised how easily stubborn buildup comes off. Let's check out that transformation. Look, it's clean, no residue, no fingerprints, no streaks. Just a clean, polished stainless steel finish that looks almost brand new. Now for a few quick tips for maintaining that shine. Wipe up spills immediately. Clean in the direction of the grain whenever possible. Use separate towels for cleaning and polishing. Wash the microfiber towels used for cleaning separate from cotton products. Avoid bleach, steel wool, and abrasive scrub pads on stainless steel. With a quick microfiber wipe every day, you can prevent buildup and keep appliances looking their best. It's not rocket science. In fact, it's easier than you think. With a simple microfiber cleaning solution for tougher grime, antimicrobial silver towels for deep cleaning, and glass weave edgeless towels for polishing, you can achieve that professional looking shine in just a few minutes. And that's the end of this video. If you want to know where to find these stainless steel cleaning products, be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you would like to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.